headed off to Monarch to watch the downhill kayak races on the snow. It should be a lot of fun. Oh, the dogs everywhere. Everybody's having a good time.
Oh, the Yakima Rackers getting ready.
Yep. Look at that. They're all getting ready for the race there. All right, we're here for the races. Excited?
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it feels good up here.
Nice and cool.
Yep. And they're off to the races. How'd you do?
It's a great. Yep.
I got your run on film.
First round.
Good.
Yes.
Did awesome. Going backwards. You did awesome. I got you on film.
First turn, I got pushed. The other kayakers pushed me clear over.
Oh no!
To the side, and I couldn't. I lost all my momentum.
Oh darn it!
Yeah.
But you made it.
I made it. That was fun.
Yeah, that's good.
Fast coming down that last.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, good luck. How'd you do?
Got whooped, but it was pretty good.
Didn't get wet.
I got the unicorn.
Okay, well, how about died climbing up there, but I got the shots. Oh my goodness. Here's all the kayaks. Yeah.
It's to get people to try the house one,
The youngest competitor. Yeah, go like this. Yeah, there you go. Look at the gun barrel. They have a race who can hike up and ski down the fastest tomorrow. Oh yeah, that's a cool conversion. Ambulance. Look at that camper. That looks like a homemade job. Huh. Cool. That's busy today.